Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Yesenia. Welcome to Yessimperfections. So today I am going to be rearranging my makeup. I already rearranged like 2 other times, but I'll show you guys here in a bit. But I received my new my new Christmas gift from my friend Sasha. So thank you, girl. I wanted like a vanity mirror that had like Bluetooth. So yeah, let's begin. So if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up. That helps so YouTube can help with the algorithm. I can't say that word. So YouTube can push my videos to more people and we can keep growing. And if you are not new, welcome back. I'm happy to have you guys all here. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the vanity mirror. I have it right here. Because I need to plug it in. Hello. But yeah, this is my vanity. So what I am thinking is and I know I have my ring light. Hopefully it doesn't bother you guys. But I'm thinking of moving this organization drawer and put it over here where my perfumes are. So yeah, cause I have over here, but I'm not sure if I might move some stuff from over here, but yeah, we will see. So this is the before, and let's begin. Okay, I'm hoping you guys can see. Okay, sorry for the angle, but let's move this first.
I'm trying to think. Oh no, can you guys see over here? Hopefully you guys can see. I need to move this. Going to save this, and I'm going to find a place somewhere for decor. Like this box was one of my first PR, and This is too beautiful to throw away.
What do you guys think? Okay guys, so I have this thing. Remember when I did my haul? Let me show you guys. My Lancome going to an event. So I have this full of skincare. Should I just take this out? Like, should I just take this out or leave it? Because I feel like it makes good decor right here. Because then for my skincare, I can just take it out whenever I need it. Yeah. Because now we can put this over here. Even though I feel like this will be too far away. Okay, let's just plug it in. Plug it in.
Let me.
Okay, I don't know, can you guys see? So now,
power on.
see, like it's turned on. So I think I will move this. I have all this, like, I do have other dirty makeup brushes that I have like on the other where I put the other drawer. That I need to wash some brushes, but it's time consuming and you get so tired. Okay, we need to move all this.
we will put this here. Like that. What do you guys think? And then I can just turn this on.
The only thing is, I don't know where to put this other eyeshadow palettes. I mean, I could fit this over here. Kind of. I could fit it there, and whenever I have to, well, I don't even think I can. Wait, this is still longer, so why? Oh, it's stuck. But then this will be in the way. So doesn't that suck? Okay, we're going to move some things around, guys. Have this.
We can maybe put this over here. I hope you guys can see. And let's go over here. We can put our perfumes up here. Just the main perfumes.
And this can go here. I like this new setup. I want to buy some more perfumes. This one, too. So this is how it's looking like so far. Okay. So I put that there. So these are like my blushes, bronzers. You guys know Leyvabeauty, go check her out. I have the Fenty. I don't wanna drop it, but it's the Fenty. And then I have another Leyvabeauty. The bottom one, I have my concealers and primers. The second one down, or third one down, I have my eyeliners. I have more smaller eyeshadows and my Desert Dolls chunky glitters. This one has lip liners, lipsticks, and then over here, obviously I have my water bottle. I have more lipsticks. This is a highlight that I got sent from a follower. It's so pretty, I didn't even want to use it. But you can get this on Amazon. Then I have like my Morphe X Mani MUA Glam Palette. I don't know if I can open this. Okay, so this is the inside of the palette. Zoom you guys out. So yeah, that's done. That's the eyeshadow palette. I'm trying to use more eyeshadow palettes that I have that, you know, I haven't used in a while. Let me know if you guys want a series like that where like, for example, if I use this eyeshadow palette, like do like a series where I create a different makeup look every time, like a tutorial, you know, kind of like how many looks you can do with one eyeshadow palette. And then I'm just showing you guys some of my makeup, or newer or old makeup. This is the Lancome foundation. This is my new foundation to my foundation collection. Not so much collection, but like I will only use my high-end products on like special occasions, stuff like that. I'm basically done out of my Born This Way foundation. I do want to buy another She Glam foundation because I run out. I have some like ¿cómo se dice? Like doubles of like Viva Cosmetics. This is a lip scrub. Go check them out. I have all the discount codes and links that you guys might want to check out on my link tree. It's in my bio. So yeah, let me see what else. With the those eyeshadow palettes there. Now over here I do have makeup that I haven't used, or like backups. I bought a new eyelash color because I needed another one. I just put my extensions, which they are not my color, but yeah. This is another drawer that I want to gradually start checking out makeup. I mean, it's not so much. I have a backup of my Leyvabeauty eyeshadow palette. I have another, what is this? Hydrating concealer under eye. You can get this at the dollar store. I want to do like another dollar store makeup look. But yeah, guys. Okay. Let's put this over here. Now, over here I have like eyelashes done. You know, that are used already, but like when I wear eyelashes, whatever other stuff here, like little testers. Over here I have like my mascaras, just tools, whatever I might need. So yeah, where should we put this one? Unless I really trying to think where should I put this one, because I also have that. I'm thinking this could go here. This is like another skincare. I could put this over here. I have this, which, I mean, I don't have to have it there, but I just don't know where else to put it. I don't know if I should put it. We'll put it up here just for now. Obviously, my water bottle. These are like extra sponges. Let's see, we could move this over here. I could put this one here. Like it won't fall. And then blenders. This is too big. But I could probably put this here for now too. This over here. This one there. This is like for my eyebrows.
I could maybe put this. I want to take this out. I can put that there. Doesn't bother me. Oh, and then we need our makeup brushes. You know, need to. So it came with this mirror, my Vanity.
Now I could put this like this is to zoom. Like a zoom. I don't know if I don't think I'll put this on. Okay, let's see. This one's Sharpener. We can put it up there. Okay, so we are basically done, guys. But yeah, this is how the setup is looking like. There, I connected.